if you want to do this type of square threads in SolidWorks, I can also see this thing using the cutting section. Okay, so you can see this is a square thread. So how to do in the SolidWorks so that I can cross everything and don't save, and I just gonna open the file without square thread so that I can demonstrate the complete process. Okay, so this is the thing, and there is the machine drawing. You can already see this is the machine drawing. So how can I say? First, we can select the curve, then click the helix and spiral. Then we can choose which is the plane you choose to start the helix. So click this plane, and the sketch mode is open. So you can click the base for the helix so that I can create the sketch, and then active smart dimension to get the to add the dimension on this circle. Then put the enter. Okay, and okay, and then we close the sketch feature so that our helix is start. And if you first time you try this thing, so this is not, the preview is not just like that. Okay, there was some random value like 11 or most probably 2 pitch, sorry, in the default the pitch is 4, and in the default the revolution is 2, and the degree is 45 or 90, just like something. So you gonna do the degree is 0 degree, and revolution, obviously the revolution I can calculate later, and pitch is there was given in 2, so I can give him the pitch in 2, and the revel, and please check this direction. If it's not by default outside, so you have to click the reverse button to get the exact what you want. Okay. So then the revolution. So how you can get how many revolution you give? Okay. So this, let's check the total distance. If you calculate means 160 minus 20 and minus 30, so you get the 110. Okay. So 110 and pitch is 2. So 110 by 2 equal to 55. So, and this is the calculator, obviously 110 by 2 equal to 50. But how I can see this calculator? How I can get the 55? Okay. So in the revolution, if we enter the 55, enter. So you can see the revolution is exactly this how actually I get. Okay, so this is the thing. So everything is good to go. The pitch is 2 0 degree. Okay, so done. So then we can get the base structure of the thread. So now we gonna select, we gonna take a plane. So we can click and get the plane, and then we can just click this helix. Wait, there's something gone wrong. Okay, just deselect everything. Then we can select the plane. Then we can select this thing, and then we can select the starting point of the helix. So where is the starting point? Just I find it. This is the point. Now click. You can get the plane just like this. Okay, then click the done button, then right click and go to the sketch. After you enter the sketch, go take a center point rectangle for easy work. Okay, so get the rectangle and take the smart dimension, and this is the one, enter. And this is the, obviously I take the 2 because 1 and 1. Okay, half is inside, so I take this 2, 1 plus 1. If you take a rectangle like this, so you can take this dimension 1 only. Okay, so click the done button, exit from sketch. So what we're gonna do, we take the swipe card option, swipe card, then we just click this helix path, then just wait, it's according to your computer processor. Then you can see the square thread is created. If you do this first time, so you can take another ring like something, just like okay, just like this thing. Okay, align with faces. You can just click this option and again click. So you, if you see anything spiral extra thing is gonna happen there, so this is automatically removed. Okay, now I just click the done button, and you can see, and we also gonna hide this plane, obviously. So also hide the helix. Okay, now you can see this is the proper square thread. Exactly our 55 value is exactly coincide with this direction. So that's how we can use the square thread in SolidWorks. Okay, so this is the thing. I also this is the square thread, and in my YouTube channel I also demonstrate how you, in my SolidWorks playlist, how you get a triangle thread. This is the video. Okay, so you can also see the video for learn more. There is the at the end part. Okay, you can see I can also demonstrate how can see this type of thread also. Okay, so follow my SolidWorks playlist so that you can uh, learn SolidWorks in the proper way. So this is the thing. Have a good day. Bye.